Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the third day of Thriftmas. Welcome to the third day of the 12 days of Thriftmas, and today I have a little bit of a different video for you. I have been thrifting every day, so lots of videos coming, but we're gonna mix it up because I got a ThredUp box. If you're a reseller, you know sourcing does not have to happen just at thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, or places like that. But there are other ways to get secondhand items to resell. And one of those ways is ThredUp. So I got this designer box, which I don't think I've got in like 2 years. And a bunch of my reseller girlfriends also got boxes. So this will be a collaboration video with Bob from Bob Buys, Jessi from Gorgeous, and Tanya from Double T's Treasures. And I will have all of their channels linked in the description below so you can go and check out their designer boxes. This is a cool way to also see what kind of items come in these boxes. So you'll see from 4 different resellers who all ordered at the same time and how different these boxes can be. So this box for me was $160. My average cost of goods on this box, I'm going to pop it up on the screen, so that's per item. So let's see if I'm going to make any money off this box. Hopefully there's some goodies that make up for the not so great items. I'm going to take this goofy elf hat off my head. Trying to be in the spirit around here, but it is actually made for my kids, so my head's a little big. Anyway, unfortunately when my box came, it was popped open on the side. And I was like, uh-oh, I hope nothing fell out. Luckily, nothing fell out of it. And just a little backstory, if you don't know what ThredUp is, it's a large online consignment store for secondhand or new with tags. You don't have to just send secondhand stuff, but they encourage people to clean out their closets. They'll list the items for you. So basically they're a reselling platform, but they do all the work for you. You send it to them and you get a small payout for the items that they do sell. However, they also have these rescue boxes that are really cool. They're mystery boxes, so you don't know what you're getting in them. And they have all different kinds of categories. The designer box historically has been my favorite. I've made the most money off of them. So, but like I said, it's been like 2 years since I've gotten one, so no telling how the quality is going to be. So we're going to unbox it. I'm going to pop up comps on the screen, and so you'll be able to tell by the end of this video if I made a good choice by going in and buying one of these boxes when all my other girlfriends got one too. So, and definitely go check out their videos and see what they got. So anyway, so let's get into the box. Okay, so first item right on top, this looks like this is a little dress. It's got this kind of one shoulder detail that is, I'm guessing leather, real leather. There it is. This is the designer. It is Alexander Wang, which Alexander Wang is great. It feels like it's silk. It has a cute little belt on it. So it sort of wraps with this like leather belt here. If I find a stock photo, I'll pop it up so you can see what it looks like. Let me check the content of it and see if I'm right that it is silk. Okay, so it is the majority silk with a little bit of spandex in it, which is good because it is stretchy. You know, a lot of silk is very delicate, so I'm excited about this dress. Alexander Wang is very edgy designer, so yeah, I think I'll do really good on that dress. Let's see what else is up. Okay, I do see a accessory, and you probably can tell by the color that it is Tiffany & Company. This style of wallet is called a continental wallet. It zips all the way around. And here is the inside, really clean. It's all leather. I have sold a Tiffany & Company handbag for over $500. Tiffany & Company can do really well. This does not have a box with it, but it is in great condition. I probably could just clean it a little bit, maybe condition the leather. It doesn't have any like markings or anything, but definitely used. So yeah, we'll check out the comps and see, but I'm pretty happy with this one too. So that's cool. So next up we have a sweater. The sweater looks like it has some makeup on it. Okay, this is Weekend by Max Mara, which is going to be a diffusion line of Max Mara. It is made in Italy. It's a very pretty light blue color. Okay, I do not see a material tag in the inside of it. So I'm not really sure what the content is, but it's really soft and it's a really pretty blue. So yeah, we'll check the comps on it and see, you know, what it is. I'll definitely have to do a little bit of cleaning because it does have, it looks like some makeup around the collar. That item's okay. When I think designer, I definitely don't think that, but I do think Versace. So I do have a Versace blazer. This is a really cool red blazer. It does have the Versace Medusa on it, which is very cool. What a pretty blazer. I love this color. This is perfect for this time of year, but unfortunately, I'm listing it so close to Christmas that probably won't matter. So this was made in Italy, and the material is 97% viscose and 3% elastane. And then it's lined with viscose, which is nice. Very pretty. It does have built-in shoulder pads. I'm guessing it's probably vintage Versace, but with it having the signature hardware right here on the button, I think that's going to be great for selling it. So I'll pop up comps for this blazer also, but I really like that. I love to sell vintage, so that's definitely up my alley. Okay, next up looks like a dress, and it doesn't feel like the best quality, so we will see. But here's the dress. So it has this open knit here on the bodice, and then it's like a knit lace or whatever all the way down, and then it's the open knit again at the bottom with the scalloped edge. Wah, wah, wah. I knew there'd probably be a dud in here. So it's Parker. I wouldn't really think of Parker as designer. Not really sure about that. That's kind of disappointing. I don't really like to sell Parker. I'll pick up Parker pieces every once in a while. In a recent haul, I did pick up a Parker dress because the comps looked good on it. But Parker sits really, I don't know. It's not the best brand. So nice pieces, but yeah. I mean, the best thing this has going for it is the style of the dress. It's cute, but I really wouldn't consider this designer. Okay, so that's 5, so we should have 2 more pieces because there should be 7 in this box. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Okay, so this is Zac Posen. This is a quilted puffer jacket. Oh, I love this. So this is probably going to be one of the best pieces from the box. It does have a hood on it with this faux fur. Very soft. Let's check out the material content because that's going to matter. Now, Zac Posen closed his fashion house, I think right after COVID or during COVID. And, but I love Zac Posen as a designer. He designs the most beautiful gowns. So definitely a sought after designer. And even though he closed down his line, he's still working with brands. So I don't see a material tag on this, but it is a beautiful coat, and the hood is detachable, but it's a good thing the hood is still with it, because a lot of times, you know, you'll find these and someone didn't want the hood and took it off and got rid of it. I'll look up the material content and post that with the video too, so you'll know along with comps. So let's see what our last item is. Oh, and we have a pair of shoes. Oh, this is good. Okay, so this style is still in with this woven. They are slides, and they're leather bottoms, and the designer is Chloe. So these are great. They're a size 36, and I've sold Chloe a lot in the past, and it's always done really well, sold pretty fast. These are in pretty good condition. I don't think I'll have to do a lot of cleaning on them, so that's good. But overall, I'm really excited about these. So overall, my box is pretty good. I'm not sure how the other ladies did on their boxes. You'll have to watch their videos and let us know who got the best box. We've kind of shared a little bit about what others have gotten, but I'm not really sure what all they got in their boxes. So your guess is as good as mine. And I suppose I'll put my hat back on for the outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of Thriftmas. I have so many more videos coming out. I've been filming just about every single day at a thrift store. So I have so much content to edit and put out for you, and I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about the finds that I'm getting at these stores, and I'm going to be come January listing like crazy because I'm going to have so much inventory. Literally my whole trunk of my car is full. It is so full. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do that. Hit the thumbs up on your way out and check out my friends' videos linked in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.